Ka United Democratic Party mentakasi kelapan pau ya kijing kyrshan ya kerai kanehu pan pyntreikam no ya National Education Policy arjar arpau hagi college kiba peneso bar kanehu hagi kerdan undergraduate course abakren sikilat patai kubor u General Secretary ka UDP u baderu unohi kai jongka school ba nehu u Dr. Jemino Mauto ulong baka jingwara ban pyntreikam ya National Education Policy arjar arpau kandai nakabenta ke jing mentoy ya kisamla pule bat kum ke parti kam sngau dei baka jylla kandang sahdien kat ba kiwe ki jam syakmat hakabai dei bat ke NEP.
I know. I think NEP has to roll. Our state has to move forward also. But there may be problems here and there. And I think the nitty-gritty of this issue relating to the NEP, as pointed out by the Vice Chancellor, all the stakeholders has to come together so that we can move forward. Problems will be there. When any new thing is being introduced, any reforms is being introduced, there will be difficulties. But we have to move ahead. We cannot lag behind. NEP has to be implemented, but if there are problems, those problems should be, discussed. Should be discussed and addressed. How do we resolve those issues? Okay, faced by the colleges and other stakeholders.
About junior high we can speak in PMI. Atu ki na mga lang pyntreikam ni NEP control mo mga pa UGC have been choice based system and pyntreikam house na masa. Atu la ding pyntreikam man tari ko kayo ang job ng mga ba sa kumpiyo.
Nadu aku terkepor choice based credit system dulu. Itu lah di mana pyntreikam dia kena hak NEP ru kelak long gi kutai. Kelayan ini nak tuhi. Kemudian bohong bah kebatmai. Syong ba mangingim dai ban suki pelan ban le ke kan kulastin. Nomor latangi kwah hi ban kentiu ya kan ke education sector ha state ke jungi. Ni ha ban ya chamat. Kemau mentan ki jingi ki don ni mo la kawan kan nu ke kelah ban pen kelah itu kan reform kita jingi. Kita mak te ban ngilakan ban overcome ngini ban address kan kita. Angta ban jingi ngini ban persyarat overcome. Jadi katakan kamut pada bahkan ni NEP mentah kaya dah kawai kayu no kamu nak tak lukom